Hello everyone, welcome to Elevator Adventures Inc. Today we are going to be taking a tour of the elevators at the SureStay Plus Reno Airport Hotel in Reno, Nevada. This hotel is home to 5 Sierra hydraulic elevators with GAL JetPlus fixtures and potentially epic motors. Sadly, there are annoying fans that prevent you from hearing these motors. Now, with all the important stuff out of the way, let's ride some elevators, starting on elevator 1 and ending on elevator 5. This is the elevator. This is elevator number 1. Yeah.
Floor are you going to?
Third floor.
I'll just do this.
That's the longest ride.
Where are we
It doesn't sound
going?
right. It never happened to me before. Like
Are we
that.
going to the moon and back, or where are we going?
Walk up the stairs, found it.
Alright,
Thank you.
let's go back down to 1. I'm going to take a cab view. These are the elevators. This is elevator number 1 at SureStay by Best Western, Reno Airport at Reno, Nevada. I want to know what that motor sounds like without the fan on. That's it. This is elevator number 2 at SureStay by Best Western Reno Airport at Reno, Nevada. Go up to 3. That's strange. Oh, there we go. And grab 1. And someone's going to enter. So we'll leave the video here. Here's your phone. The 3. Right. This is elevator number 3 at the
SureStay by Best
SureStay
Western
by Best Western in Reno, Nevada.
Airport.
Yeah, Reno Airport in Reno, Nevada. And we already got a phone case fail. And we already got another fail. Go back down to 1. Cab view real quick. That's elevator number 4. At SureStay Inn by Best Western, Reno Airport at Reno, Nevada. back down to 1. Possibly an epic motor ruined by fan, and possibly all 5 of these elevators. Pretty sad. Whatever. And route 1. That's elevator number 5 at the SureStay Inn by Best Western Reno Airport at Reno, Nevada. Assuming this elevator will have the fan on also, along with its other 4.
I think the fans are helping with ventilation.
Right.
During the time of COVID.
Go up to 3. That's a nice chime. Go back down to 1. Here's your COP. Here's your phone. That out because COVID-19. And route 1, the button went out. That's it for today's elevator tour. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to put down a like, subscribe to my channel, and make a comment about it in the comment area below. Stay tuned for more Elevator Adventures Inc. videos.